everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking one of the most famous automation tests out there, the RPA challenge. Okay, so what is the RPA challenge? Okay, so this is the link. Okay, it's a waveform with fields where that shuffles every time the page reload. Okay, so when I click the reload, so it will shuffle, right? So and your bot has to read the data from an Excel sheet and enter it correctly into the dynamic form. Okay, so yeah, so we have the sheet, okay, which is provided by the RPA challenge only. We have to download this Excel. Okay, I have downloaded. No, I think yeah. So I'm just downloading. Okay, so okay, yeah, sample editing. Okay. So I just saved the file. Okay. It has first name, last name, company name, role in company, address, emails, phone numbers. Okay. So all specific columns are here. Okay. Which we required on the site. Okay. On the web page. Okay. So let's go from the beginning. Okay. In UiPath. Okay. So I'm just taking. Okay, so first we have to read the file, right? So first I will read this file. Okay, yeah, I'm closing it because if it is closed, so we can't read the file. So I just taking the read range activity, read range workbook activity. Okay, where is the workbook activity? Hmm, yeah, just drag here. Okay, and I'm just providing the path here. Challenge. Hmm? Okay, and the sheet name is sheet 1. Okay, and I'm just creating a data table here. Okay, so I'm naming that dt underscore rpa data. Okay, so now we have all records loaded in the memory and ready for processing. Right, so now the next we will use the use application and browser activity. Okay, so use application. Where is the use application browser? Yeah. Mhm. So, see, before that, I will explain you the selector. Okay. So, when you are using the use application or browse uh, open browser, okay, so it will indicate the full screen. Okay, so it will be a full selector. Okay, just I'm indicating this window. Okay, so just click here. Okay, so this is kind of full selector. Okay, because we just click, we just indicated the whole screen. Okay, so now we are taking the for each row. Okay, for each row indicated. So we will means we are looping through each row of the Excel using for each row in uh, DT data. So I'm just calling DT data. Okay, and now inside the loop we will type each value into the wave. Okay, so the tricky part is the fields move around every time, right? So when you reload the page, it will shuffle all columns and titles, right? So first name, okay, emails. So like this, see, it was first name, it was on first place, but now it is on fourth place. So every time it will shuffle. Okay. So now we will use dynamic selector. Okay, or anchor base to find the correct field every time. So now we will take for first name. Okay, so we will just use the type into. Okay, so type into is kind of it's kind of partial selector. Okay, so I'm taking for first name. Just indicate and confirm. And here I'm just typing that current row. Okay, the first name, first name is from first this first name is from column name. Okay, is from Excel column name. So dot to string. I will show you. Okay, so this first name. Just go to, and we have to repeat the same thing for last name, email, role, company, address, and phone number. Okay, I'm just taking another type into for last name. Okay, so I'm just typing here that current row and just copying the last column. Why it is showing again and again? Okay, so see, make sure there is no space. You can see in the after last name there is a space. So just I'm just removing that and saving it. Okay, just go to the UiPath Studio and paste here and dot. to string. Okay, I'm taking another type into company name. Okay, so I'm just indicating the company name. Confirm. Same current row, double inverted comma with company name dot to string. Okay, now we are taking type into a rolling company. So I'm just indicating the rolling company. Just save this. Okay, and the current row. So I'm saving role name dot to string. Okay, and the other is address. Confirm current row. Just copying the address column from Excel dot to string. Okay, I'm just taking another one. It is for email. So I'm just indicating the email. Okay, and the current row to string. Okay, and the last is for phone. Okay, yeah. Okay, yes, we have done for all column. This is the last phone number dot to string. Okay, after filling this form, we have to click on submit. Okay, when you click on submit, you will get the shuffle form a place, means shuffle all places, right? So just go to the UiPath Studio and take a click activity to submit. Okay, so I'm just taking submit. Okay, and So you can see here we have take address, company name, email, first name, last name, phone number, role in company, and submit. Okay, we are just running the file now. Okay, and make sure the path is correct. So I'm just hmm, okay. So just save this and run the file. Yeah, there is a space, I think. Hmm. Do this. Close never. Open always. You will get a new window for the web page. Okay, John. Hmm. Okay, we got the first John, last name Smith, company IT solution, analyst, address, email, phone number, and submit. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, so we do have 9 to 10 entries. So it will complete that all entries one by one. Okay. And once all records are submitted, the website show will show you the final score, accuracy and speed. Okay. So we will wait for that. JC, last name, company name, role in, address, email, phone number, submit. Hmm. Yeah. Role in company, address, email, phone number, submit. It will take time. Yeah. So we just completed our task. Okay. So yes, that's how we automate the RPA challenge website. Okay, with our Excel data, which have name, first name, last name, company name, company role, and all thing, and also have a submit button to submit all the details. Okay, so for now that's it, and we will show some different part in the same RPA challenge website.